Alright guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I've seen you, or since you've seen me rather, but I've been super busy with work. I'm an electrician as my daily job, and I've been out of state working for the past month. We work 10 days, come home for a few, go back for 10, blah 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 blah. But anyways, that's kind of put a damper on the videos. I hate it because I love doing things like these. This is really what I love to do. Needless to say, I've got a couple videos coming this weekend for you guys. We got something special for you right now. We actually are going to be doing the first unboxing and review for my channel, so awesome. If you guys are here, I appreciate you checking it out. I'm going to start doing a lot more reviews, all the way from clothing to EDC items to camera gear to handguns. I'm gonna do a wide range of stuff that I like to do. Of course, I'm not gonna review something that I don't love, so I'm sure there's a bunch of you guys out there that's gonna enjoy some of the same things that I do. So we're gonna start doing reviews on those, and just to give a little bit of difference to some of the videos that I post here. It's not just all gonna be hiking or cinematic stuff. We're gonna do a bunch of different things. So anyways, if you guys are just tuning in to this channel for the first time, my name's Justin Green. I'm from East Tennessee. I love being outdoors. This channel started kind of with me wanting to just do daily vlogs and stuff, so that's what we're doing now. But today we are going to be unboxing a package that I just received from America Clothing Company. It is pretty nice stuff, especially for the outdoors. And I've stumbled across this company on Instagram. Actually, I was scrolling through, and you know, like I said, I do a lot of photography and outdoor stuff, and I seen this page. It had a lot of awesome, mountain views, waterfalls, stuff like that. I'm totally into, and I got to looking and found out it was a clothing company. Got on their site, seen a bunch of shirts and stuff that I liked, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger on some. I mean, who can have too many shirts, you know? Me being the impatient person that I am, you can ask my wife about that. Package you got here, I wanted to do the review, but I just couldn't wait. I wanted to see what the stuff was like, check it out. So I actually opened the box already, so we're going to recreate that unboxing, but I actually have one of the shirts on now. I'm a big Army drab green fan. I wear like camo shorts pretty much every day of my life. So I went ahead and unboxed and got this out so I could wear it for the video. So yeah, we're going to get started on that. But first, if you guys are just tuning into my channel for the first time, I'm Justin Green. Appreciate you for watching. If you're into outdoors, if you're into EDC, guns, hiking, photography, videography, any of those things, you might want to go ahead and think about subscribing. I plan on doing tons and tons of videos. Like I said, today is the first review video. I'm going to start doing all kinds of different product reviews of things that I enjoy, and hopefully you guys will like some of those too. So be sure to think about subscribing, and go ahead and give me a share and a like on this video. It really would help. Like I said, this is just something I do for fun, but it really would help. Everybody likes to see their stuff viewed, so go ahead and hit me up on that. Before we get to unboxing today, I'm going to go to the website for these guys and tell you a little bit about them. Like I said, it's America Clothing Company. That's MERICA clothing.com. And when you get there, they've got a pretty neat site, a lot of sweet pictures on there. But we're going to go to the who we are, and I'm going to read this to you guys. It says, "We are a lifestyle brand inspired by adventure." Sounds pretty good to me. "We believe that where you come from, the places you go, and the adventure in between makes you who you are." Think about that. That's awesome. That's where our slogan, "Pride Yourself," comes from. Have some pride in your roots. We have southern roots, but we're determined to cover every inch of this beautiful country. So that's nice knowing that they're from the South too. I would like to know a little bit more about these guys. I may reach out to them after I do this video, see if I can't find out some new stuff. But they've got a lot on there each year after first trip. They've got a bunch of stuff, and these guys travel all over the world. They've got clothing pretty much set for Appalachian mountains. They've kind of got their own thing. They've got some stuff for out in the West and the Pacific. They've got a certain brand of clothing for kind of like different areas of the country. And I do think they're coming out with some Midwest stuff. I think I seen that on their Instagram when I was going through. But yeah, guys, check them out. They do offer like free shipping, I think over $50, and if you spend over $100, you get a free shirt or something like that. So yeah, Pretty nice website. Be sure to check it out, americaclothing.com. I'll be sure to link it below. Without further ado though, we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this. Like I said, I'm impatient, so I've already cut into it, but they've got their little logo tape that goes on it. It's a pretty cool logo. I mean, if you love America, you're going to love the way this logo looks. So let's go ahead and dig in, get all the garbage out of it. And right on top, you're going to have a letter that has their brand logo on it. And let's go ahead and open that up. I did order some stickers too from them for my Jeep, so I'm assuming, yep, that's what's in here. Okay, so first off, you've got a logo card here with a pretty sweet drone shot of a beach. That's Pompano Beach, Florida. So these guys may be from down that way, I don't know. But check that out. And then on the back, it's got a little bit of information here. Share your adventures. It says, we receive photo submissions from all over the world. Your photos keep us motivated. Show us where you take your new gear by using the hashtag #InspiredByAdventure. We feature our favorite submissions. We value your feedback. Please leave an honest review of our product on our Facebook page. Shoot us a message when you do, and we'll send you a free decal as a thank you. Sweet. So probably have to do that. And then it's got all their links on here: America Clothing, and then their Facebook. So sweet. All right. I did see my stickers in here, so check it out, guys. You guys know I've got the Jeep. I've been wanting to dice it up with some stickers here lately, so this one I think they actually just sent me, the America Clothing logo. I haven't had that one before. Let's see. Then, like I said, they've got Appalachian Mountains as part of their little scheme here. They've got Appalachian Mountains. I got two of those, one for each side of the Jeep. Probably put them on the back passenger and back driver's side windows. And then I got two of these. Got Live Free and Stay Wild. I thought that was pretty cool. It's kind of got that like star look to it. And then the Great Smoky Mountain National Park with a bear. I thought that one was too cool. That's like right here at the house, so I had to go with that one. I'm like an hour from the park. And then I had to go with the American flag. That one's pretty sweet too. Alright, now we get into the shirts that I got. Like I said, you can see I've got the drab green. It's got the American outline of the United States, and then the 3 pine symbols in the middle. So let's go through and see what else I got. I think this is part of one of the free shirts. Kind of got their little logo there, just a simple red shirt. It's pretty cool though. This one I really like. This one is the Appalachian Trail. It's kind of got, I like a pocket shirt sometimes for work or just whatever. So it's got the AT symbol on it there, and then on the back, it's got a pretty sweet logo there, and got the Georgia to Maine for the Appalachian Trail, with the silhouette of some mountains. So that's definitely a cool shirt. I like the green on it. And then here we go. We've got another Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Got a couple bears and stuff on it. And let me tell you guys, these shirts are super comfortable. They are 100% ring spun cotton. So machine wash cold, do not bleach, tumble dry low. They're gonna shrink a little bit, but man, these are like those, you know, those really soft shirts that you just want to crawl up and sleep inside of. Yeah, that's what these are. Super sweet. Alright, I actually got a bunch of shirts from them guys. I'm telling you, they got some really cool stuff. Be sure to check them out. This one is another Appalachian Mountains shirt, made out of that same material. This one has got the same shirt that I have on now, just in a different color. So it's kind of got the United States logo with 3 pines in it. And then it's like a topographical map in the background. It's pretty sweet. I like stuff like this. Something that's different that not everybody else is wearing. And then I think this one's like the first shirt I showed you, the red one. It's just got their 3 pine logo here. So yeah. That's what I got this go around. Like I said, I got on there because of their pictures that they have, and then I was like, well, I'm gonna grab some stickers for sure for the Jeep. that's something I'm going to start doing, is collecting stickers on this thing. But I come across the shirts, and I just kind of fell in love with the logos and what these guys represent. So I went ahead and made an order from them. I do want to say that I've never spoke with these people. I've never communicated with them other than me just ordering these shirts. I'm not sponsored to talk about them. It's just something that I really enjoy and something that I like. I like the logo. I like what these guys stand for. They're about the outdoors. They're about the Appalachian Mountains that I personally live in. And I just thought it was something that was kind of cool. The Great Smoky Mountain National Park is literally, like I said, about an hour from here. So it's something that kind of hits home with me with this clothing, and it's something that I would definitely wear every day. So I went ahead and made an order. Like I said, I'm not sponsored to say any of this. I'm not paid to say any of this. I've never even spoke with these people, but they seem to be doing the right thing. So if you guys liked any of these shirts or stickers or anything, be sure to head over and check out their Instagram, check out their Facebook, and go ahead and go over to the website, scan through. You might see something that you like. They had a lot more stuff that I didn't even purchase. They had some stuff that was out in the Grand Canyon, and I think they had some stuff out in the Pacific and stuff like that. I've never been out there, so I didn't really want to get any of that stuff. I have been to the Grand Canyon, but I just didn't want that. I wanted something that kind of was touch base with me and how I felt, and being from the area I'm from. So I went ahead and got it. So be sure to check them out, guys. And once again, this was the first review that we've done on this channel. We'll probably come up with some kind of cool, wonky title for it. I'll eventually think of something, but yeah, we're gonna start doing more reviews. Like I said, I've got some EDC stuff and some handguns and a lot of stuff like that. I hunt. I'm actually, if you guys want to check out Hollow Ridge Outdoors, me and one of my best friends, we've got a YouTube channel over there where we do hunting and stuff like that, and we do vlogs about hunting and prepping for season. So I'm really big into the outdoors, so I definitely plan on it. So be sure, you guys, like I said, if you're first time here, go ahead and think about subscribing for more content from me. And if you would, go ahead and share this video on Facebook for me. Give me a like down below, and I so would appreciate it. I'm going to start doing a lot more stuff for you guys. So that's it. I'm going to get off here. I'm going to shoot some B-roll footage that you guys have probably already seen in the video. And then today, we are actually going to Bristol Motor Speedway. We're taking my boy up there to a monster truck rally. So definitely planning on vlogging that too. So it's going to be a two-for weekend looking for you guys. So stick with us, and I will see you